Rainbow, listen here. You can make them look as expensive as you want to or as cheap as you want to.
Hey, where you get that outfit?
Yeah, they just want to see me in the grave. Gotta love more.
For me, Rainbow Dream Girls, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, I am a Black Man's Dream, and this is a Black Man's Dream fashion. Well, Dream Girls, on this channel is all about looking absolutely beautiful on any budget. If this is something you're interested in, I hope that you will consider subscribing to the channel. Click on the subscription button and the notification button down below so that you will know each and every time the Dream Girls are here. So anyway, guys, today's video, I want to come on and show you guys all of the wonderful items that I picked up from Rainbow and how I styled them. Some of the pieces are new arrivals. I will let you guys know if it's a new arrival. A lot of times you guys may have pieces in your closet that you loved in a store, but you had no idea on how to style it. Or maybe you might have something that's similar. So it's okay if I style something that's not a new arrival and you still can benefit from it. I'm going to start with this piece that I'm wearing right here. This is fortunately a new arrival at Rainbow, and they also have it in red. This is absolutely beautiful. This is more like a wet leather as opposed to a patent leather. I really like this. Also, this is a crop top that I also purchased from Rainbow, and it was on sale for $3. The jacket is $31.99. The earrings also come in a package of about at least 5 different sets, like 10. No, matter of fact, about 10 earrings, and it was only $5.99. So if you guys like hoop earrings, make sure you check out Rainbow hoop earrings. And they come in different sizes and different textures. I already have used 3 sets on here. One of them I have in my ear, so that is nice. And then I really like the bigger hoops. They also come in the bigger hoops as well, and they come in different textures and sizes. So depending on what it is that you're wearing, you might want to go really big, you might want to go small, you might just want a little hint of something. I will show you guys in the video how it brings out the outfit, the look, and everything else. Each and every outfit, I will put glasses on with it too. Also tell you guys, when you're wearing Rainbow outfits, you make the outfit. Don't try to make the outfit make you. You are the foundation, okay? So when you have your hair in a nice style, that's already setting the stage for the outfit. And then normally my nails are done, but it's time for me to get them redone. So if your hair is half done, it's not gonna complement the outfit. So a lot of times I can put on the outfit all the time. Matter of fact, I put on the outfit, it's from Rainbow. But the fact is, I make sure that my hair is put together, nice, edgy, cute, and clean up my brows, put some lashes on, and not even a lip color. And voila, girl. Rainbow, listen here. You can make them look as expensive as you want to or as cheap as you want to. Because if you ain't doing your hair, if you're not doing anything to your face, don't expect the outfit to do anything for you. And another tip I want to give you guys, make sure that the clothes fit you properly. The fabric is very thin, okay? It's not as thick as a much more expensive piece. But the thing is, that don't matter with us. All you have to do is make sure it fits you a little bit bigger, as you guys can see in the outfits that I'm wearing. Make sure that they don't cling so tightly up against your body. Give it a little bit where it just drapes you nicely. You still can see the little curves, because, you know, we got curves for days anyway. Even a more expensive fabric, if it's fitting too tight, it looks what? Cheap. It don't look nice. You look like you paid a little bit for your outfit. If certain image you're trying to display, you don't want it to come off cheap. Okay, make sure that the item fits you properly. It should not be stretched to capacity. It has to actually just drape your body, okay? Just drape, like just flowing across your curves. That's another tip. Moving right along. Another item that I purchased. Here in Miami, in Florida, it does not get that cold. So some of these items, it's like you have to put your spin on it. Put a jacket with it or wear it on a day that is not as cold, okay? So bear with me. This jean jacket is only fall. It's not winter, okay? So yes, ma'am. Yes, you can still wear denim. And this is absolutely beautiful. When I saw this at Rainbow, I was like over the moon. The back of the jacket, absolutely cute. All of the bright, vivid colors. I already know bold colors is during the summer. But last year, the fashion industry, they did bold colors all year round. But anyway, we're not loyal to nothing but looking cute. Let me know if you guys seen it in your stores. Hopefully they still have it. It been at least, what, 2 weeks ago? So it's still a chance that it might be there because, you know, all the dream girls, we always luck up on great items that's on sale because people didn't know how to style them. That being said, I want to also show you these sneakers that I picked, not sneakers, but these leather clog type shoes that I picked up from Rainbow. They was only $7, and when I saw these shoes, I was speechless. I picked them up and I styled it with this long leather skirt that I picked up from the thrift store. They always have stuff like this in thrift store, so do not feel like, oh my God, I can't have it, because it's a chance that you will find it. And even if you don't find a black long leather skirt, go nicely with any type of skirt that goes all the way down to the floor. You might wind up with a linen black skirt that goes to the floor, satin, whatever it is, it will still look nice. So if you see them inside your Rainbow store, make sure you pick them up. Also, these shoes I want to show you guys. I know that it is the fall season, but it's not always cold. And even if you can benefit from these shoes for next year, make sure you guys pick them up. If you want to always look cute effortlessly and you're running out the door, it is a great idea to have these shoes anyway. And these shoes are on sale for $5 in Rainbow. And look how I styled them. Yes, absolutely cute. I put it on with this denim shirt that was on sale as well for only $5 at Rainbow. Make sure you're looking out for these shoes because I'm telling you, they are worth picking up. They have them in gold, silver, black. All right, moving right along. I also, this totally green. Most people, when they say, what do they call it? Mono. Let me know in the comment section down below, because I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time but that's just a monochromatic outfit. I think that's the name. Correct me if I'm wrong, please, because y'all know, if y'all not new to this channel, y'all already know I don't mind people correcting me. My thing is, don't be a friend. Don't be one of my viewers and don't correct me when I'm wrong, okay? That's what friends are for. That's what friends are for. So tell me if I'm wrong. Monochromatic outfits. Most people do it with all black, all white, all cream. I did it with all green from Rainbow, and this outfit is absolutely cool, absolutely beautiful. But I don't want to toot my own horn. Y'all know I would love to hear what you guys think about this outfit. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know what y'all think about this outfit. It is really, really cute. The green bag, the green outfit, the shoes. The shoes actually came from Mad Rag, and I got them a while back. That was a year ago at least, and they was only $5. They still have them in Rainbow. This is one of the outfits, like what I was saying, like sometimes Rainbow will have stuff, and you may have missed it, but don't be discouraged, because this outfit, I could have swore I saw it like 2 or 3 times. They filtered in and filtered out, filtered in, filtered out in Rainbow. Let me know, am I wrong? Have y'all seen this outfit in like different versions? Right now, even since I bought this green one as we speak, they have gotten a new one. So anyway, make sure you're checking it out. And they even have some, if you don't want the crop tops type shirt, they even have some that fits a lot longer, which I will show you right now in the video. Absolutely cute. And I don't know how I missed the animal print one when I watched the video back, and I'm like, was you not paying attention? Was you so engulfed in just filming? But when I got home and I looked back at the film, I'm like, hey, that animal print one is absolutely gorgeous. I have to go back and get it. But then when I went back, it was some other stuff that came through, which was this jacket. And I got sidetracked. They have it in black and in red. And I was like, anyway, so the next piece that I want to show you guys that I picked up, absolutely cute. These cargo skirts, and I tell y'all, and I saw it on Instagram when Rainbow like did a little video showing them off. I didn't even know that they had a leather one. I'm talking to somebody in the comment section, and they said, oh, I don't like the leather one. And I'm like, that's not leather, that is vinyl. And then I look, I'm like, excuse me, I had to delete my comment. They actually do have it in leather. That leather, this vinyl skirt that you see, they actually have it all the way down to the floor in leather. I was like, I have to find this skirt. Let me know if you guys seen this skirt, because I haven't seen it. I have to go online, and I hate shopping online because they charge too much to deliver. But that skirt is absolutely cute. I picked it up in the camouflage and in the beige. This is how I styled it. I absolutely love it. I got it in a 1X in both the khaki and in a camouflage. I love it. Let me know what y'all think, because again, I don't want to toot my own horn. Let me know if y'all think that is cute. All right, but anyway, let's move right along. Rainbow actually have these shirts on sale. I picked these up. I picked it up in green. I thought it was cute. I paired it with some denim jean shorts, and it was only $5, and I got it from the plus section. They had it in green, black, and white recently, about a week ago. So make sure you're checking your Rainbow stores. You might find it. So yes, in leather bag, oversized fanny pack. And when I saw that thing, I was like, what you gonna do with this big fanny pack? It's cute, and I like the fact that it's obnoxious and it's like really eye-catching. I'll think about what to do with it later. So this is how I styled it. I absolutely love this bag, and somebody actually asked me where to get that bag, and I was so sorry to break the news that I got this bag 2 years ago. So this is a fine example of when you see something, just pick it up. Even if you don't know how to style it, but it catches your eye and you know it's gonna catch your attention, pick it up. I absolutely love this bag. It is so cute. And this is this is a fine example of a piece that I made. Just pick it up. All right, you guys. So the next item I'm gonna show you guys is these cobalt blue pants. How I styled them, and they are in stores. They are brand new. I just purchased this like 2 days ago, and 2 days ago was what, October the 18th. So I just purchased these pants, cobalt blue, and this is how I styled it. Absolutely cute. Okay, in the fall season is ideal time of the year to pull out your blazers, and Rainbow have many blazers on sale, and I want to show you guys the ones that I did pick up. Blazer that I picked up was this black one with these beautiful accented gold buttons on them. Really cute. This blazer really does not look like a $7 blazer, but that's exactly how much I paid for it. I got it in a cream color, and I also have it in black. And make sure you guys are picking up these turtleneck crops. The regular price is only $7. I got this one for $3, but they all are so nice to have. Make sure you're checking it out. So, what is you waiting for? Get your ass up and out the door. Going on over the rainbow. Feel your desire. When that man look at you, his heart, holla. Holla. Rainbow. Rawr.